Hello kids, welcome to Cheeky Kids Lane. Today I draw a Peppa Pig, the Peppa Pig chef. They both are in the kitchen and they are cooking some recipes. Okay, so let's try drawing. First I draw a cap of Peppa Pig. This is a chef cap. And then I draw a and now I draw a cheek and then eyes. Just draw a circle for eyes. Wow, the eyes is moving. And then I draw a mouth, then body. After that, I draw the legs of the Peppa Pig. The Peppa Pig is watching me and you. And now, draw the hands and then fingers. Then draw the other hand. And now, I draw an apron. And this is the tail of the Peppa Pig. And now, I draw a kid Peppa Pig. First, I draw a cap. The Peppa Pig is wearing a cap. And now, I draw the nose. And then face. And then eyes. Then cheeks. Just draw two circles. Wow. The eyes is moving, then the jaws, and then mouth, then cheek, and then body. After that, I draw the hands of Peppa Pig. This is a pocket of her apron, and then draw legs. This is the shoes. Yay! Okay friends, I have done my drawing. Okay, so let's start coloring. Yay, 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 yay! Okay, so let's start coloring. First, I take the purple color for the Peppa Pig cap. Do you like the purple color? This looks so cute. I'm doing the pink color. Do you like the pink color? Tell me in comment box. Yay! Pink, pink, pink. This is the pink color. The Peppa Pig is blushing, and I take the green color. This is the light green color. And now this is the pocket of the Peppa Pig, and I'm doing red color. I'm doing red color in Peppa Pig cap. Do you like the red color? This is the kid Peppa Pig. And this is the sky blue color. Yay! Hee I'm doing red color in Peppa Pig body. Which contrast do you like the most? Green or red? Pink or red? Blue or red? Okay friends, I almost done my drawing. If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Keep watching me and my videos.